Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix your iPhone random restart issue. Step 1. Force restart your iPhone. Press volume up plus power button, then select to power off, then turn back on again. Step 2. Check battery health. First go to settings, then battery health and charging. Check maximum capacity and peak performance capability. If battery is degraded, it may trigger restarts. Consider replacement. Step 3. Free up storage. Go to the settings, then general, then iPhone storage. Delete unused apps, large videos or upload apps. Low storage can cause iOS instability and random restarts. Step 4. Update iOS. Go to settings, then general, then software update. Install the latest version. Updates fix bugs that can trigger random reboots. Step 5. Remove problematic apps. Note apps installed before restarts. Delete or reinstall them. Restart iPhone and observe. Some apps may conflict with iOS and cause restarts. Step 6. Reset all settings. Go to settings, then general, then transfer or reset, then reset all settings. No data will be deleted, but Wi-Fi, display and app setting will reset. This clears hidden conflict without erasing your iPhone. And this is how you can fix your iPhone random restart issue. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.